Hello again, I am Gabriel and I am still playing with expressions. I am not an expert, but I think expressions could be very useful and they will allow you to create very interesting things. And mostly I like learning and sharing stuff about expressions. Here I created an expression that will it is supposed to make something like blinking your eyes uh, automatic because it is really tedious having to manually open and close the eyelids of a character. The irony being that something something that you think so little about has a huge impact on a character's believability. The result of this expression is that, let's see, the eyes of the character will remain open for about 2 seconds, then they will close briefly, very briefly, and that is not how it is supposed to work. I have to make something about this. But currently I don't know how to do it, so I'm gonna have to learn about it later. So if I hit play, you won't even be able to see that he's blinking his eyes. Yes, it needs to remain closed for at least 2 more frames, but I will fix that some other time. So what this means is eyes closed, this group visibility is going to be equal to the number of frame. For example, in this case is 48 right now, and it will be divided, but this is not this is the percent symbol, not the division. If you want to make division, you have to change it for this. And since the remainder of this operation is 0, then I wrote a wrote a condition that if eyes closed visibility is minus or equal to 0, they will actually go open, and vice versa. Or else the eyes closed group visibility will be 0. If for example I turn this block of code into a comment and edit this expression, the character will have his eyes closed all the time, and it will do the opposite of what it was doing before. At least that is the one way that I know how to do this. But that is not what I want. Let me close this. The second expression that I wrote is about rotation. And let me open the editor again. And this one is actually a lot shorter. Is the wheel rotation control. This is the name that I gave it. The wheel rotation control, the attribute C set and if time. No, I could change this number for anything, but for this example I just chose 24. Now the reason I wrote this little block of code is because I wanted the rotation to be at 0 at frame 1. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.